with the 3 modes of speed on the front here. LED light. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at a 5-tool kit by Dewalt. This is a really nice kit if you're looking to get into Dewalt or if you just want to expand on your system. What you get with this kit is a reciprocating saw or a sawzall, 2 batteries. You get a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour. Both of them have the power meters on them. You get an impact, a drill, a charger, a circular saw, and a multi-tool. So let's take a closer look at all these tools and just get a good feel for what you're actually getting. So the reciprocating saw is a really nice saw. You've got the ability to change your blade in 4 different positions, which is really nice. This is great for demolition, great for pruning trees, all kinds of different ways to use this. You can get metal blades, wood blades, combination blades, chippers, all kinds of things. So this is a really great tool to have. The batteries are entry-level batteries, so you might want to expand on this and get some 5 amp hours, which I always recommend. Next, we've got a great little impact. Comes with a side belt clip, LED lights on the front. This is a great impact to use. I've been using these impacts for years and years, and they still keep on running. They never break down. Next, we've got a nice little drill. This has 2 modes of speed on the top here, as well as a clutch on the front. This allows us to finely tune how much torque we're delivering to our screws or to our drill bit. Then we get the DCB 112 charger. This can mount on a wall. You can also charge 12 volt and 20 volt max batteries on this. Then we've got a 6.5 inch circular saw. I love the smaller saws. I find that they're light, compact, easy to use. They'll always cut 2x material, no problem. So going up to the larger saws sometimes isn't necessary because these saws do a great job. And then finally, we get a brushless multi-tool with the 3 modes of speed on the front here. LED light, quick changing of the bits, which is really nice. You can use sanders on this, multi-cutters. You can cut wood, you can cut metal, you can chip. There's so many things you can do with a multi-tool. It's such a great tool to have. And then lastly, we get a little bag here to keep all of our tools in. This is a really great kit to have if you're just getting into Dewalt or you want to expand that system. These tools really work great. I've put them through the paces for years. I absolutely love them. Guys, I hope the video really helps. Keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.